It's December 2023. I'm 59 years old. I've been vegan since June 27th, 2016. That's about 7.5 years. I decided to stop eating animals because I found out how they were treated. And I basically felt sad and thought I didn't want to contribute to that anymore. I stopped eating cows and pigs and chickens, and I stopped stealing anything from animals. Not their eggs, not their milk, not their honey. People often ask me if I still eat fish, and my response is, no, I don't eat fish. The ethics of eating fish are lost on most consumers because they rarely stop to think about what or who they are eating. Pescatarian diets are romanticized and seen as essential to our health. Fish are referred to as objects and not individuals. Look at them. They had personalities. They didn't want to die. They had a right to live. The ethics of eating fish are measured by two main components: sentience and justice. Did you ever watch a documentary called My Octopus Teacher? I highly suggest you watch it. It's basically a researcher who goes underwater almost every single day to try to find the octopi that are there, and he films them and shows that they have personalities and that they're smart. Sentience, or the capacity to feel pain and suffering, is the standard moral argument that ethical vegans present as their reason for not eating meat or fish. By their logic, killing or rearing any animal for meat and any other purpose is contributing to a life of suffering and is therefore immoral. Many studies have shown that fish feel pain, and more specifically, that the absence of cortex is not enough to deny the overwhelming factual support for fish sentience. Research has also found that fish have nerves that relay the experience of pain and have a similar capacity for emotions as any other vertebrate. Apart from that, many species of fish have demonstrated excellent memories. They also form close friendships and community bonds. I see a morgue. I see a cemetery. I see individuals who had a right to live. I see a holocaust. To animals, every human is a Nazi. Larger questions of justice are brought up when discussing the ethics of eating fish. The problem is that as it stands, humans lump millions of species into one not human category. Their non-human classification then justifies anything that happens to them because they're animals, not humans. That's how they see it. I think about how terrified they must have been. Trapped, lifted out of the water, the only home they've ever known. Taking fish out of the water is a slow, painful death, similar to a human being put underwater, thrashing about, desperately trying to get away, to live. Veganism, by definition, seeks to exclude the consumption of any animals or any food derived from animals. This includes fish. The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics has clearly stated that being vegan is 100% healthy, and it's also not expensive to be vegan. We, ethical vegans, believe that eating fish is unjust, harmful to animals, humans, and the planet. It's completely possible to be 100% healthy by not eating any animals, or any eggs, or any cheese. It's very easy to Google vegan recipes. There are literally millions of them online. Vegan foods are not expensive. Oats, rice, pasta, beans. Hello, little friend. What are you doing? Whoa, that's a big piece. Is that bread? Looks like you're doing a little bit of a dance there. Are you all right? Are you frustrated or are you okay? Maybe you'd like me to help break it up into smaller bits. But I don't want to scare you. Being kind to animals takes nothing away from a human. We lose nothing. Sometimes people think that vegans act superior, that they act like they're better than everyone else. But the real reason that we're vegan is because we realize that we're actually not better than anyone else. That's why we're vegan. We don't think we have a right to take someone's life away, someone's babies, someone's milk, anyone's honey. Thank you for being here today with me on this little journey in Italy. If you find value in my work, feel free to subscribe and press the notification bell, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now. Okay.